In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a script in Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently running scripts to enhance your workflows. So, let's get started. First, when you're on the Airtable homepage, take a moment to appreciate the array of features and possibilities it offers. It's a versatile tool that can help streamline your organizational tasks and data management. Now, let's move on to integrating scripts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll automatically be directed to your Airtable home. Here, you can see all your bases, essentially the sheets or databases where your project data is stored. Go ahead and select the base you want to work with. Clicking on a base will open up more specific data or project details. After you've opened a base, direct your attention to the Extensions tab, which you'll find in the toolbar. Extensions in Airtable are like the cherry on top, offering numerous integrations and added functionalities that you can embed directly into your base. Among these extensions is the scripting tool, which is our focus today. To begin adding a scripting extension, click on the Add an Extension button. This action will bring up a series of options. In the search bar that appears, type in scripting. It's important to type it correctly to filter through the vast options available. You'll soon see the scripting extension appear in the list of results. Select it by clicking on Scripting. The next step is straightforward. Click on Add Extension. By adding this extension, you're enabling Airtable to automate tasks, run scripts, and manage your data more efficiently. Once you've added the extension, it becomes a part of your base's toolkit. Now, you can interact with it, writing scripts to perform a variety of functions, such as data manipulation, automated reporting, and much more. With these simple steps, you're all set to run scripts in Airtable. Take this opportunity to experiment with this valuable feature and see firsthand how scripts can streamline your workflow and save you significant time. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it assists you in getting the most out of your Airtable experience. Thanks for watching, and happy scripting!